This 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LT is a CARFAX certified one-owner vehicle with only 25,239 miles. The Avalanche features a 5.3L 5/8, 6-speed automatic transmission and GM's innovative Midway design. This one also includes clean, comfortable leather interior with power-adjustable seats, XM-ready stereo receiver and Bluetooth. Financing is available with rates as low as 2.9% WAC. Get pre-approved in no time by filling out a credit application on the finance section of our website. We also offer 4 different warranty options, including Allstate. Call Brian Spagnola 214-732-7859 or at 1-888-9TXMOTORS toll-free. All vehicles are priced for quick sale. All reasonable offers will be considered. Texas Motorcars in Addison is a family-owned and operated business. We